RLY, Texas 77358.
Thank you so much. And that's just a house, or is there any apartment number?
It's a house.
Thank you. Give me just a quick second. Let me take a look. Have you ever had any kind of service at this location before?
Yes, we started off with Direct. We changed to Dish, and we were coming back to Direct.
All right, no problem. We'll welcome you back with open arms. Just in case we got disconnected, what would be your best contact number? All right, that's great. And alright, so tell me what sort of channel would you like to watch? Is there any special ones or just a regular?
The local channels, pretty much regular.
Okay.
Let's see, HGTV, Bravo,
Gotcha.
E.
I got you. Actually, that's exactly what my wife watches. So you're right on my street. Alright, so what about the TVs? How many TVs are you planning to put in?
Definitely 3, possibly 4.
Okay.
And we might want to do a hookup to our RV for when we travel.
I got you. So what about the internet? We also have some really good internet services available at this location.
My husband just signed up for internet. I think we've got to wait like another 6 months before we can change over or be penalized.
Oh, okay. I got you. Anyway, so the package which I have available for you, it's DirecTV satellite cable with the entertainment package. It comes with all the basic channels and also the premium channels like, HGTV, A&E, AMC, History, Comedy Central, Lifetime, Food Network, BET, Bravo, and many more local news and entertainment channels for your entertainment. And the 1,000 choices, you will get parental control, on-screen guide, pay-per-view access as well. And also you will get the free recording on your all your TVs as well with the high definition service, so you can record them and watch them at loaded time as well. So with that all said, your total monthly bill would be roughly around $90 a month, and it will be across that.
I can barely hear it.
That your total monthly bill is going to be around $14, and it will be priced out guarantee as well.
Perfect. Now, I had a friend, I don't know if y'all are still doing this, a friend recommended that we go back to Direct, and there's something, if I give you his name, he gets $100 or $200.
Yeah, the referral. Of course, I will.
That's a referral fee.
Yeah, I will try to take down info at the last of the call, and I'll try to see what is the best we can do for him. So let me have your email address, please.
It's bcglobal.net.
Alright. You spell your first M-I-N-N, is that right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Alright, and in order to qualify you for the service, we need to initiate a quick credit check. I'll be needing your date of birth and social.
Okay. You check my social?
Yes.
I'm not comfortable giving out my social.
I totally understand your point and I respect your point of view, but basically just to assure you that it's for your own benefit and security. On the top, it's all secured lines, so and it's a paperless environment. Even I cannot see your information when I'm putting in the system. It's all in straight.
Bear with me, I'm going to wrap to get a better signal. I'm out in the country.
Yeah, of course. Well, I can put a sip of my coffee.
Okay, I'm almost there.
No worries.
Okay, one more moment.
No problem.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
You need her social security number?
Of course.
Okay. Go ahead and give it to him, Tracy. Alright, we're not just used to that. Alright.
No, I get it actually. Because in order to qualify you for the service, since it's an agreement, so we have to initiate the credit check. So for that reason, we have to put in your information with the date of birth and social.
Okay. My dad
Yes. Okay.
social is 4.
Alright, thank you. Just give me a quick second. And also, do you authorize DirecTV to initiate a quick credit check or use your existing credit information to file with AT&T companies?
Yes.
Thank you. So for now, I'm going to process with the 3 TVs. But again, if you wanted to add more, you can always do that as well, okay?
Okay, that's great.
Alright, that's cool. Just give me a sec.
Now, we've had wireless phones, or cell phones with AT&T for probably 30 years.
Oh, okay. That's cool. And Tracy, previously the services were under your name?
They were my husband's, I'm sure.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why the system could not recognize you using the social, so I have to take your driving license number.
Okay, you want to put it under his name?
That wouldn't help because I can only do it once on the same address, so his information will not go through.
Okay.
So I need the driving license number. I'm sorry, actually, it rarely happens, like maybe, twice in 100 customers. Maybe you are the luckiest one.
Probably okay. Okay, that number is 132.
Okay, and the expiration?
7/1/2022.
Alright, it has been issued by the state of Texas.
Yes.
Thank you. Alright, so Stacey's going to take me out. I'm sorry, Tracy. My bad.
That's okay.
Yeah, I was actually talking to Stacy before, so that's why. I'm sorry. She was also a really lovely lady. So, Tracy, I'm going to put you in a brief hold. It will just take me about a couple of minutes. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And just in case we got disconnected, don't worry, I will contact you back myself. My name is Mark Hudson. Okay? So stay by the phone.
Okay, thank you, Mark.
Bear with me, please. Thank you. Thank you so much for holding the line, Tracy. I really appreciate your patience. Alright, so I also see that you're also qualified to have HBO, Showtime, Cinemax, and Stars free of charge for the next 3 months. If you would like, I can subscribe you for that as well.
Okay, let's see, HBO.
Yeah, and if you would like to keep that afterwards, the price altogether would be, let's see, around $39. But if you want to cancel, you can call us before the 3rd month and you can cancel.
Okay, and it was HBO, Stars, and what were the other two?
You got HBO, HBO Max, Cinemax, Showtime, and Stars.
All the movie channels, okay.
Exactly. Right, most of them.
Okay,
Alright,
we'll do that.
Alright, that's great. And the good news is that you will be... Okay, your installation would be absolutely free of charge, so the installation fee normally is like $100. And but there's just going to be one time of activation fee, which is only $20. And that's the only thing required today. You don't have to pay your bill or any installation fee today. Let me have, okay, in order to set up your account, you need to select a 4-digit PIN number. So what's that number is going to be?
Let's see, 4-digit. 8 1.
Okay, and as a security question, name of your favorite restaurant?
Papa Do's.
Ah, Nice one. Alright. Alright, and for the $20, which card do you want to use? Do you have a Visa, MasterCard, or Vector Express?
I'm going to use a MasterCard.
And let me have that number, and please go slow because I will not be able to repeat that number to you. It's all insert.
Okay, it's 5 3 9 5 5 7.
And the expression?
08 24.
And 3 digits from the back.
570.
And the billing zip code is the same, 77358.
Yes.
And would you like to put this the same card on file for the auto payment?
Yes.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so it's going to take about a couple of minutes. Let me go ahead and check how soon we can get it set up for you, okay?
Tom, I needed it yesterday.
Okay, I'll try
Like everybody else.
Yeah, of course. So just give me a quick sec. Let me check. Hold on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for holding on, Tracy. I really appreciate your patience. Alright, so we got lucky that we have the installation for day after tomorrow on Thursday. We have in the morning and
I
in the
love you
afternoon.
guys. Okay.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna make it pay a lot more lesser.
Thank you. That's
No
even
problem.
second.
So what time is it, in the morning or in the afternoon?
Morning.
Okay. The time slot is between 8 to 12. They will appear sometime in between that time, okay?
Okay.
Perfect.
No worries.
And the charge onto your card is going to be $21.30, including the taxes, of course. And your total monthly bill, I'm going to give you a recap once more. The package which you are getting is called DirecTV Entertainment Package. You're also getting HBO, Showtime, Stars, and Cinemax free of charge for the next 3 months. And after that, as I mentioned, altogether your price would be around $50 to $52 extra. But if you want to cancel, you can just give us a call before. And your total monthly bill is going to be $9.77 before taxes, fees, and surcharges, and with minimum agreement. And let me tell you about your installation. With someone over age of 18 or must be present while the technician is there at your location. If you have any pets, they are secure, and all the TV connections are visible. You're getting 3 TVs, including the same price. Also, if you want to add any more extra, it's $7 extra for each TV. And also, you will be getting high definition services on all of your 3 TVs and the recording ability with no additional cost. And you can also log in on your phone, on your smart TVs, or also on your laptop using the DirecTV application. So, for the better experience, and you can watch TV on the go. Alright, so let me give you your account number. Do you have a pen?
I do. Yes.
Alright, so the account number, that would be
945.
That's very good of yours. Alright, so we will see you on the 2nd between 8 to 12, just in case you need any sort of a help.